Hi everyone, welcome to Vasoltar Prediction. I hope you like this reading. I hope this resonates with you. If it doesn't, kindly check out the other YouTubers. One important thing, guys, is that this is the reading for daily spirit messages. What you are going through, what are your current energies, what spirits wants to tell you. Okay, so it will be just a one card reading for you. Okay, for all the zodiacs from Aries to Pisces. But one important thing, guys, is that if you want to support my channel with the help of donation, the details of the donation is given in the description box below. The second most important thing, guys, is that if you want to book one-on-one personal reading with me related to career, relationship, situationship, the details are given in the description box below. The third most important thing, guys, is that if you want to join 10 days tarot learning workshop and 15 days numerology workshop, the details are given in the description box below. And kindly help us to cross 1000 subscribers, guys. Okay, so let's check it out. What are your energies like from Aries to Pisces, guys? Okay, so okay, blossoming abundance in reverse. Okay, angel number 3. So for Aries, I'm using energy oracle cards. Okay, the link I'll be giving in the description box below. But yeah, blossom abundance in reverse, angel number 3. Okay, two cards popped out. I have taken the first one. Okay, so angel number 3, it's all about creativity, understanding your creativity. Aries, I just want to tell you that if um, there is some blockages going on with your financial life. Okay, the money which you are supposed to get, or the project which you were supposed to do, okay, a lot of blockages are there. Okay, and you might hear a news today that the amount of money which you should have is not having, or the amount of money which you should get today, okay, it's not getting, or it's getting delayed, it's getting a lot of time to come towards you. Okay, so it means that your creativity is on hold, your abundance, financial abundance is, you might lose some money or as well. Okay, or you feel that whatever money is coming, it's, you're not holding it, okay, tightly. Whatever money is coming, it's going on like a rain, or a raindrop. You are not getting that much kind of time to be with yourself, to to save money that much. Okay, so that's all for you. Okay, Taurus. Okay, Taurus number 12, 2 plus 1 3, angel number. You are going through some major spiritual awakening, and for your information, the spiritual awakening path has been opened by the universe. Okay, and you are going through some major internal transformation, major internal uh, changes within yourself. Understanding, clarity is coming to you. What are you supposed to do, how you want to move forward. So you are going through some major spiritual awakening. Okay, which is really good. You are understanding the facts about your life, about your universal things. You are going on a spiritual path, like you might be googling some of the mantras, healing materials, or you might be reading tarot cards online, or might be watching videos on that. Okay, so you are more inclined towards spiritual awakening path, which is really good. That's beautiful. Gemini's. Guys, 1 minute. I need to shuffle it again. Kindly help us to cross 1000 subscribers, guys. We are just supposed to take one card. I'm seeing it again and again, and that's why I just want the garden and the gate. I need to read it out, okay, guys? So just wait. This is a new deck, and I have ordered it today only, and yeah. So, yes. You can check it out here. The garden and the gate in reverse. Geminis in reverse. If this card is in reverse, it indicates the happy choice to open the door to a more spiritual pursuit. You may have been obsessed with worldly issues before, but your readiness to go deeper is now here. Many people believe that they cannot live in material world, makes lots of money and engage in spiritual priorities at the same time. But you now realize that this isn't true. In fact, you can bring this wonderful spiritual focus to any endeavor, and when you do, you'll find that beyond your garden, the universe is willing to fill your life with beauty and joy. Expect the unexpected, for joyous synchronicity abounds. Your affirmation is, I am blessed with an abundantly spiritual life every day in every way. My joyous prosperity grows and grows. So, you are going through some major uh, understanding within yourself, Geminis, okay? You're understanding the facts about yourself, okay? You're going deeper, Geminis, and now I'll talk about Cancerians. It will take time for me to adjust with these cards, but yeah, I have started because I just felt doing it. That's why. Okay, door to value, upside right, angel number 31. Lot of abundance is on the way. This card shows a door with a golden coin on it, opening to a place that's filled with light, bright potential. Money, coins, and jewels fly towards you through the open door, revealing a golden city beyond. New beginnings in your financial and your career life, guys. And 3 plus 1 4 is all about foundation, creating stability, structure, either financially or relationship wise. So a lot of abundance is about to happen for you guys, in your materialistic world, Cancerians. All of this points to the potential for exciting new beginnings or expansion where work or money are concerned. Perhaps a new opportunity is totally unexpected, and perhaps it's something you have been working towards for quite a long time. So whatever you were working about, and if you were not reaping the results for the same, now it's the time to that you will be receiving it. Keep your eyes open for this new beginning to appear in your life. Know that anything you value may be open to you now. Remain conscious and creative and get help on your step-by-step methods. Beautiful. Now Leos, my card. I'm using this for the first time, guys, okay? So, yeah, you need to bear with me. Patience, angel number 7. 6 plus 1, 7, 16. This card is a beautiful angel holding a clock in the stillness of winter. Her quiet, peaceful energy is telling you that it's time to release the old urgency, old problems, all old obstacles, to look at the things with much clearer perspective. You can see that, this girl has a clearer perspective. This angel has a clearer perspective about life. Okay, when this card is upright, it's telling you that to release and let go of the single-minded desperation that's been driving you. Don't try to force your will on only one option when you think there's only one solution to satisfy your need or to make you happy. You are blocking many other potential solutions from coming onto your way. Okay, and let go of the anxiety and be flexible. Just go with the flow, be patient enough, choose to be peaceful in the present. The universe has more options than you may be aware of. Quiet your mind, broaden your perspective, and let them come through. Beautiful card. Amazing. Leos. Virgos. Guys, August month reading has been uploaded on my YouTube channel, so you can check it out. Okay. Okay. Oh wow. Okay. Let me tell you, Virgos, you are confused today. You are indecisive about something. I don't know. You are at a crossroads. There might be two options, two directions, two decisions. Okay. Angel number 8. Angel number 8 is all about communication, traveling overseas, relocation. Okay. So you are confused about something. You are indecisive. You are at a crossroads. So which one to choose? Which path you should proceed. Okay, however, there is a decision which is about to happen in the upcoming weeks for you, and you have to decide for yourself. Okay, so you will choose a wise decision for sure. Do not be worried about it. Okay, so the next is all about Libras. And let me tell you guys, this cards are beautiful. I don't know why, but I just feel that this are one of the bestest cards I have ever had in my life, because I love like doing daily readings. I always wanted to do, but I didn't had the cards. I ordered it today. Like I ordered it 1 week before. Today it arrived and I started it. So yeah. So daily messages, for daily messages you have to subscribe to my YouTube channel. You can check out your daily messages, how your day will be, what spirits wants to tell you. Okay, so yeah, this I'm getting the second chakra twice, so that's why I'm taking out the second chakra. Archangel Ariel, angel number 36. A lot of you can see this angel, I hope. Okay, so yeah, this is upside right. This angel is sending you a bright orange energy, promoting inspired creativity and greater comfort with intimacy. So most of the Libras might feel intimate today with their partner or with their connection. Okay, when this cards appears upright, it's urging you to be creative. Let yourself reach out into unexplored areas of self-expressions and new projects that may have been more creative or have been a more creative project for you guys. Libras, this is beautiful. This is also a time when the energies of closeness with others and nurturing yourself can flow more freely. You can now open yourself to the emotional intimacy that may be coming your way. So nurture yourself and be ready to receive the affection of the resonant souls around you. So you might be feeling intimate today, getting intimate with your partners, or be creative in projects in your business life. Okay, you feel like you have to explore a lot about yourself when it comes to creativity into your business or into your career life. Or and in the other way around, you can be more intimate and more creative when it comes to your personal life, your connection. Okay, so yes guys, so this was for Libras. Let's check out what are the current energies for Scorpios. For Scorpios, I don't know the same cards. Let me shuffle it out. If it comes again, I'll be taking it. Yin Yang, 2, 2 plus 2, 4. Wow, angel number, beautiful. Definitely nice. This card is in opposite, guys. So this card reveals that a yang cycle, which is one of the active outgoing energy, this time calls for a more logical approach of things, but the logic needs to be applied in a purposeful action. This cycle is often marked by creativity and new beginnings, sometimes with significant outer change. Let yourself apply more forceful energy to the task at hand and take action and advantage of it. Highly charged yang time, that means that there is a cycle which is about to happen for you guys, and it needs more logical approach in your outer world than within yourself. It needs a purposeful action for you guys. Okay, it also deals with new beginnings and outer change, and that whatever the task is at hand right now, you have to complete it first. Okay, and then move to the next one. Okay, so yeah, 4 and 4, so like 2 plus 2, 22, angel number 22. So 2 plus 2 is 4. 4 is all about stability, structure, creating financial abundance for you guys. Okay, so yes guys, so let's check it out what's going on with this was the same card, that's why. What's going on with after Scorpio, what comes? I think Sagittarius. I'm taking all and I'll be reshuffling it again because I just don't feel like. Happy family in reverse. Okay. This is for Sagittarius. Okay, there is some issues going on with your home life, guys. Okay, either you might be there is a problem in the structure, stability, or the foundation of the family. Okay, there might be fights going on, there might be issues going on within the family. So things are not quite well, Sagittarius, into your family life. I'm really sorry for the same, but I'm picking up that. Okay, so few of you might be having external fights or issues with the loved ones or your parents or siblings today. Okay, so just be careful about it. Okay, so yeah, Capricorns. Your guys, Sagittarius, your energies are scattered all over the place. That's why I'm having problem in shuffling, and also with the Capricorns today. I don't know why, but yeah, look out for your energies, guys. Okay, whether you are really pissed off today, I don't know why, but yeah, I'm getting it. Capricorns. Action. Action, upside right. 7 plus 1, 8. So, Capricorns, today is the time for your action. Okay, some sort of action you will be taking, either starting a new business, new job, new opportunities, like you, whatever you were planning for so long, this is the time. Today is the time for taking action of something. Okay, some of you might be, trying to move somewhere, trying to communicate to a connection. Some of you might take an action of proposing someone. Okay, some sort of an action you will be taking today. Okay, and it will be very strong, like very energetic action. Okay, which you were being planning for so long but you couldn't take it, so you might take an action, or you are thinking of taking an action towards someone or something. Okay, Capricorns. So yes, so let's check it out what's going on with Aquarius, guys. Okay, Aquarius, you're dealing with anxiety issues about something. Okay, you're thinking about something, you're dealing with anxiety issues of some sort. Okay, 8 plus 1, 9 is 9. Okay, anxiety, worriness, sadness, thinking a lot about your materialistic world, about your finances, about your financial stability, about your career, about your foundation. So you are thinking a lot, and that is giving you a lot of anxiety, sadness and depressed energy within yourself. That's the problem. Okay, so you will be having a lot of anxiety issues today. I don't know why, but yeah. Aquarius, let's check it out. Current energies, what Spirits wants to tell you. um, Spirits messages for Pisces. Okay, oh, 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 oh. Guys, kindly help us to cross 1000 subscribers. And yes, guys, I'll be doing daily readings, so kindly subscribe for daily updates. Okay, so yes. Okay, door to spirits, Pisces. Angel number 32, 3 plus 2, 5. Beautiful, amazing. I'll be reading it out, okay, for you guys. This is upside right. Okay, so spiritual awakening and new beginning. Pisces, you are ready for a new beginning, for a spiritual awakening is happening. These doors open into the expansive energetic realm where all the new beginnings originate. Doors are opening for you, and 8 was the day. Yesterday was the day for the opening of the gates, and now is the time for you to enter into that spiritual awakening, guys. The orbs of light are guiding you through the clouds of the early world, leading you to a deeper understanding of your eternal identity, the source of all the true value and power. This door opens into truly unlimited potential for the changes that happen here to reach deep into the core of your being. As such, this card often heralds your increasing powers in the spiritual arts and a deepening connection with the spirit world. Don't be surprised if you find yourself becoming more intuitive, more aware of spirit's presence, or more powerful in your own healing practices. Now is the time to open up to the unexpected guidance and inspiration of a spirit and to the magic and power of your true identity. You are going through some major spiritual awakening and new beginnings, and during this period in Pisces, you will be highly intuitive. You will feel the presence of you might feel a presence of the angels around you, or you might, feel that your healing powers are very, at a top level, at the highest level today, okay. And because the doors have been opened yesterday, and now you are ready to enter into it. This is a beautiful energy, amazing energy, Pisces. I ended up with a beautiful energy for you guys, and I'm really, really, really happy for you guys. And yes, one message for you guys, one common message for you all collectively, okay. Like, what one common message for you guys from the spirits today, for all the zodiacs, okay. What you need to take care of, universal message. One, universe, please give me one message. Three. So whatever hidden creativity you have inside you, you have to explore it, and you have to, you know showcase it in front of the people, okay. Do not hide it within yourself, showcase it, explore your creativity within yourself, and explore it to the world. That is what universe is trying to tell you, okay. Angel number 3, 13, that means 3. 3, it's all about exploring yourself within yourself and understanding your power back, okay. So this was the day 1 for today's reading. From tomorrow I'll continue it. I'm new to this deck, so I might take a help of a guidebook, okay, for now. And once I'm a pro into this, I will be using it without a guidebook, okay. But yes guys, it is just like, I would be really happy to practice it every single day. So yeah, but yeah guys, I hope you like the spirit messages for today, and see you tomorrow. And kindly comment down below how you're feeling, what you're going through. I'll be appreciating it. Thank you so much guys. And also, if someone can help me out with the time stamp for all the zodiacs, on my daily videos, so kindly comment down below for all the timestamp from all the zodiacs from Aries to Pisces. I'll be grateful to you guys, okay. Thank you so much guys. Bye bye.